Are you seeking a natural solution to enhance your sexual performance without relying on medication? Look no further than your kitchen. Discover the power of homemade Viagra, crafted from aphrodisiacs that stimulate sexual desire and function. Before we delve into the details, remember to subscribe to our channel for more health tips, activate the notification bell, and share this valuable knowledge with your friends and family. Crafting homemade Viagra. Ingredients: freshly squeezed lemon juice, watermelon. Preparation: 1. Begin by cutting the watermelon into small pieces. 2. Blend the watermelon pieces until you obtain approximately 1 liter of juice. 3. Transfer the juice into a pot and bring it to a boil for several minutes. 4. Incorporate the lemon juice into the watermelon juice. 5. Thoroughly mix the juices and continue boiling until the volume reduces by half. 6. Allow the mixture to cool for an hour. 7. Pour the juice into a clean glass bottle. 8. Store the bottle in the refrigerator. Understanding the benefits of watermelon for sexual health. Watermelon offers numerous health benefits, particularly for sexual wellness, owing to its rich content of lycopene and citrulline. These nutrients act as potent aphrodisiacs, enhancing sexual performance and vitality. To reap the benefits of this homemade Viagra, follow these consumption guidelines. Take 2 tablespoons to 1/3 cup of the drink daily. Consume the drink either in the morning on an empty stomach or in the evening. Consistency is key for optimal results. Incorporate this drink into your daily routine to experience lasting improvements in sexual potency and performance. This natural remedy is not limited by gender or age. Both men and women can enjoy its benefits, regardless of their age bracket. Conclusion: enhancing sexual performance doesn't always require pharmaceutical solutions. With the power of natural ingredients like watermelon and lemon, you can create a potent homemade Viagra that promotes sexual vitality and vigor. Embrace this natural remedy, and embark on a journey to a fulfilling and satisfying sex life. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and loved ones who might benefit from it. Did you like the video? Please share, like and subscribe to our channel for new content. See you next time.